Hey everybody, welcome back to Art a la Carte. And in today's video, I wanted to create a how to paint rocks with watercolor tutorial video. That's the video you deserve. That's not the video you get. But instead of just like checking this recording out, I thought I would take you on a little journey of what goes on in my mind. I am showing you what kind of paints that you can use, an assortment of different kinds of watercolor, whether expensive or a nice beginning brand of watercolor. Next, I want to show you how to pre-wet your canvas down. I'm using what am I using? See, this is how prepared I am. I don't even know what I'm using anymore. I'm using a fluid cold press watercolor paper block. It's a 6x8, and a block is one that is glued on almost all four sides. That way you don't have to like tape your paper down. You can get it wet and it really holds its shape. It doesn't buckle as bad. I love blocks. Some artists don't like blocks. I love blocks. They're amazing. At this point, I have wetted down the canvas, and now I'm beginning to block in some background shapes. It's at this point that I'm thinking to myself, yes, I know what I'm doing. I've got this. But in all honesty, I have never painted this type of rock formation before, and I'm realizing that not all rocks are created equal. I've painted rock walls before. I really enjoy creating like the brick wall texture. You can see some of them in the Hobbit doors that I did in my last video. If you didn't check that video out, jump over, check it out at the end of this video. You can watch that one. But this was a scene that I actually took a photograph of when I was in New Mexico this summer, and they have just amazing mountains and rock formations. We have really great mountains around here, but ours are all covered with trees, so you don't see the actual really rocks very much. You just see all these big lumps of trees everywhere. So it was fascinating for me to see these big shapes of rocks and all the colors. There were so many colors, and I was so inspired to paint a painting and decided that I would take you along with the journey because surely I could figure this out. What is exactly the purpose of this video if I don't know what I'm doing? And it's definitely not a tutorial video because I make a lot of mistakes and have to fix it. But the purpose of this video and why I actually decided to share it with you, other than the fact it's just fun to see me try something and then have to fix it, that this is the learning process for a lot of artists. It's trying something new, seeing it not work, and keep working at it. Keep pushing forward, going, not giving up, not being afraid of failing, not being afraid of, I've just wasted this piece of paper and these paints and an hour or so of my time. It's not wasted. As I say in a lot of my videos, I always am saying, even your mistakes have value because that's where you learn from. And I just wanted to show you this actively working in my artistic journey. So whether you are learning how to draw people or animals or buildings, or maybe you're painting rocks like me and having a hard time at it, don't let yourself fall into the trap that you're alone, that you're the only artist that's not getting it, that's making mistakes. Every single artist is on a journey and we are trying to figure this thing out. So while this painting did not turn out looking anything like the photo reference that I was using, definitely did not turn into anything I could use to teach you how to do this because I was just figuring it out. I learned a lot. And the more I practice with this, eventually, hopefully, someday, I'll be able to create a video where I can teach you how to do this. But if you can take one thing away from this video is to not be afraid of trying something new, not be afraid of messing up, and just have fun, experiment, play around with something, because you never know what you're gonna get. Thank you guys for hanging out with me in this video. I hope you enjoyed this wacky little journey of this painting. If you're brand new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. That way you can follow me along on my artistic journey as I share some of my adventures with you. If there's something in your artistic journey that you're struggling with, let me know in the comment section below. We can encourage one another. Also, just a reminder, we're in the middle of October. I hope you guys who are doing Inktober are pushing through. Tomorrow I'll be having an Inktober update video. I know I haven't posted the last couple of days, but I have gotten the drawings done. So I'll be sharing all of that in tomorrow's video. Well, guys, have a great day. Keep arting. And until next time, God bless you guys. And we'll see you in another art video. Bye-bye.